It is summertime. One thing about it and two things for sure, a bob is always going to command the room. This is a nice way to stay cool. She is a 4-in-1 pre-matte wig, so she's pre-bleached, pre-cut lace, pre-plucked, pre-styled. Oh my god, look at how invisible the lace is. And the icing on the cake is she is 100% glueless. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what she looked like from the back. As you guys can see, there's a beautiful cut. This is what she looks like set as a side part, and that was amazing. I did a side part in one take and it was perfect. Here's what she looks like as a center part, and I really was feeling that side part, so I went ahead and switched up the parting on mine. The bob is literally sitting nice and pretty and perfect, and I'm for sure ready for a night out on the town. I am feeling myself. Here I am reassuring you that we have not added any glue, any gel, any spray. This one is still 100% glueless.